different video, something different this time. Today I'm gonna do a quick and easy tutorial of how to do your faux locks or your faux locks, whichever one you guys call it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Okay, stay tuned to my channel to see how I get this thing done. So today she's gonna get her faux locks done, and I'm gonna part the hair and braid it all the way to the top to around 18 to 20 inches long. That's how long she wants it. So I'm gonna braid each box part until I'm all the way through the top. So for right here, I'm actually halfway through the process of braiding the hair and braiding it as long as how she wants it. So this is the final look on how I'm finished braiding her hair, which takes me a couple hours to do. Okay, so for this part, if I never tell you guys, I use the Jamaican twist to do her hair. I use 2 strands from it and I unravel them together. So right here, I'm gonna use a short length of the hair and place it on the braid from the root, and I'm gonna use a longer length and I'm gonna wrap the hair from the root around 3 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll wrap around on the root 3 times, 3 to 4 times, depends on how you cover the hair properly. I'm wrapping around until I start to proceed outwards on the braid so I could cover. So I'm opening the braid and wrapping around, go all the way to the end. So now I reach to the end of the braid or the faux locks. I make 2 different individual parts. I divide the hair in 2 and I leave out 1. The second piece I use to wrap the end, and I start proceeding to go upwards so I could get the finish, so the hair could stay intact, if you see that. So for this part, I cut the excessive hair that was left out and I burn the end and squeeze it together so I won't get an hair that will unravel after. So I burn the ends, as I said, and I squeeze it together so it could stay and not pulled out after a while. So that's the finished look on how I get this done. So right here, I'm gonna do some quick and easy baby hair so her hair could look slay. Alright, so I'm gonna lay her baby hairs down, and I use the wax, the edge control, to do our baby hairs.